Nanumatan Quina, a one crane, one more at the Atona coin so a fan on the board the yo nomnia diano, and nay one more as a samo a cacran and say muno, a quade ama and sorry no says say, and sorry so a one coin one training one bebo. Microphones from Becca, some woman, some nemum, and no a new cancer no a yet study noise of drama no na a wahono, ne Greater Accra Security Council, and a faith-based organization, a war, a Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs for, and a one monster a chassis Adom Kasee etwasu.
Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs. Asori ahodo enkabom eku ayatu ni din se faith-based organization. Akohyiemu ewododoa asensan krata edefa tabua womo ede ato dedeyo ewon kran. Eso no enkrata womo ede womo nsa ekohye ase no eyade a ebeboa amomo edi nhyehyeye nananom ahemfo ne asori mpenifo yi ekotoato adwene no de womo gitu mu no sese de womo agye atomu se ensori ahodo no ebetimi abo won nsem anase womo abo drums bi nanso no enkoye dede ekwan so. Registrar no ene wo Greater Accra House of Chiefs Enoch Ado ene kire nsemunum sei ekire Adom News nsentrofo.
All faith-based organizations have agreed to confine crusades, conventions, and usual forms of worship to church buildings and avoid excessive noise during the period of the ban in the interest of peace and harmony. 4. Noise making beyond the levels prescribed by the Police, the Public Order Act, and the bylaws of the various MMDAs. 5. The faith-based organizations may use microphones at a reduced volume, and this includes public address system in auditoriums only. 6. The clapping of hands shall be at minimum levels, permissible in the auditoriums only. 7. All reports of infringement of the prescribed noise levels during the stated period of customary ban shall be referred to the joint committee, which shall have powers to adjudicate and compliance.
Opinion no eneda Security Council ano ewon kran ha no Henry Cote enso ede nsem sei na tudwa.
Ikiaba na nenu ye nyina ne abesi pim wa ha ene ye hwe kwan a ye nyina ye be dwuman mana ye kama enti obia endi obi fa hundie so sana mpese otiasie na ankoye se chieftaincy akasa ene ampre asofo nso so omo nka se wo muntumi nye anase b esan so omo ba de omo de chopa ne ba omo se de mpenifo beka bia wo beso
onipa ono ene gire mu ma nsori ahodo no Dr. Lawrence Tete enso ede tudwa se nsori ahodo no agitum enhyehyeye anananom ahemfo ede abetudwa no na wo nso ebedi so amade asumdue aba
ya gye atum se obi antumi nsori keke se task force nti okobi asori ensan se obekọ obi asori no sse police ka ho na regional council na joint committee no ka ho se na be ya ye na impo ko asori no you don't have to enter the church. Say woman or invitation number regional council